Dr. Song here from Omni Aesthetics. Today, we are going to talk about ThermiTight, the best non-surgical skin tightening treatment. Imagine going from this to this without any surgery. At Omni Aesthetics, results like these are absolutely possible. The ThermiTight treatment uses safe and effective radio frequency energy by using a grounding pad and a nerve stimulator to map out the areas where nerves and other important structures can be safely avoided. We can provide a nice, safe treatment with very effective results.
That's all I need.
We sterilize the skin with a surgical scrub and use a technique called Tumescent anesthesia. Basically, the Tumescent anesthesia is a numbing solution that's injected directly under the skin. Here we're numbing the area where we're going to enter with a little cannula. Here we're seeing the puncture sites where we're going to make the entry. She's not feeling anything because it's all numbed up. Now we use a slightly longer cannula. This is a blunt needle, so it doesn't hurt. It just goes under the skin. And this is how we numb the whole area. We're putting the tumescent fluid right under the skin here so that when we do the actual treatment, it's going to be nice and numb and she will not feel a thing. And now this is the actual treatment being performed. What you see here is the ThermiRF probe, and you can see it's a very thin probe. It goes right under the skin, and now because the skin is already numbed up, she's not feeling anything. She's awake, her eyes are closed, but you can see very comfortable. The objective here is to raise the skin temperature to about 55 to 65 degrees Celsius. This is the effective temperature where skin tightening will occur. So we are moving the probe around under the skin and watching this monitor. What we see here is the actual skin temperature at the tip of the probe. And as soon as it reaches temperature, we can move on to another spot to cover the whole area that we're treating so we can get a nice even treatment. We're also at the same time monitoring the temperature on the surface of the skin for added measures of safety. And here are some examples of our clients that were treated with the ThermiTight. You can see a nice definition of the jawline. Here you can see some nice skin tightening, more skin tightening and definition of the jawline. And here's a frontal view where you can see some nice tightening. Here we did a fat transfer and a little bit of liposuction with the ThermiTight to give it non-surgical facelift. We can do arms, which is a great treatment for that loose skin under the arms, and knees. We can treat basically anywhere in the body, but the face is the most common area that we treat. And here's a picture of the device and our thermal camera. And there you have it, the ThermiTight treatment at Omni Aesthetics. If you have any questions or would like to schedule an appointment, please call us 201-368-3800.